Welcome to Jank Kitchen. Today we're doing the ultimate pub mac. Make sure you subscribe and let me know if there's any macs you'd like to see in the future. I'm starting by chopping a yellow onion. You want your onion slices to be 1/8 of an inch thick. They can go into a pot on low heat to be slowly caramelized with a small pinch of salt until they look like this. They can then get set aside as we chop up a few pieces of bacon. We'll add our bacon back to the pot. Along with a small amount of water, this will release any of your onion fond and help your bacon render more evenly. These guys can be strained once they reach a nice golden brown. Then we'll add 150 grams of a beer. I'm going to be using an espresso stout today. As that comes up to a simmer, we'll get our cheeses ready. Starting with 50 grams of a gorgonzola, 50 grams of cream cheese, and 50 grams of a sharp cheddar. These can all go into a blender along with 2% of our total cheese and liquid weight in sodium citrate. We can add our beer when the alcohol is cooked out and it hits a simmer. This can be capped up and blended until smooth. If it's a little liquidy, that's okay, we can fix it later. Let's then cook our noodles in boiling salted water until just before al dente. Oil them after straining to prevent stickage. Then we'll reduce our sauce over low heat for a few minutes. After it's reduced, we'll add our noodles, our onions, our bacon, some soft mozzarella for cheese pull, and plenty of cheddar. This can get mixed and heated through for a few more minutes before we add it to a ramekin or a baking dish. I'll then top it with some breadcrumbs that are lightly toasted in butter, salt, and pepper, and toss it into an oven or an air fryer at 375 until golden brown on top. Now it's ready to be enjoyed. This one is awesome. I already tried it. Hell yeah. So freaking good. If I got that at a pub, color me impressed. It's really well balanced. The 1/3 of cheese being the blue cheese, it's enough that you can tell it's there, taste it, but it doesn't really overpower. I also used a Gorgonzola Dulce, which is a little less pungent than a lot of the other blue cheeses you could get, which I find really nice in sauces, just so it's not like hit you in the face too much. But that balances out really well with the bacon and the onions. And then there's a subtle bitterness from the beer that I actually really enjoy. It also brings a lot of sweet caramely notes, which is beautiful. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed, subscribe for more mac and cheese, and let me know if there's any mac and cheese you'd like to see in the future.